ay, 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 this shit let me shell shock and traumatize. It's hard to speak on what I'm feeling up inside. I can't even look my mama in the eyes. I put you through so much and I apologize. I'm cashing checks, I hope these honeys stop me crying. Where I'm from, they only love you when you die. I'm from the trenches where we fighting to survive. Can't be another victim of these homicides. And you can't even show too much love, they'll get greedy. The same niggas ain't give a fuck, saying don't leave me. For my niggas, I wrote this one in blood, I know you see me. It ain't no turning back, they went too far, so fuck a treaty. Phone on airplane mode, I'm too high up for you to reach me. I've been too busy chasing my dreams, I'm never sleeping. Catch us at the awards, like look mama, I'm on TV. I'm just trying to make my mark with this shit, like Paca Weezy. I can tell by the look in your eyes, you probably need me. But it's a lot of girls that's attractive, what can you teach me? And is you gon' stick around and say fuck me when this ain't easy? It be the ones you least expected, I swear this shit'll get greasy. This shit let me shell shock and traumatize. It's hard to speak on what I'm feeling up inside. I can't even look my mama in the eyes. I put you through so much and I apologize. I'm cashing checks, I hope these honeys stop the crime. Where I'm from, they only love you when you die. I'm from the trenches where we fighting to survive. Can't be another victim of these homicides. My little niggas, some demons, they be quick to let it spark. We was shorties on the block, we weren't playing in the park. Granny say whatever you do, just play it smart. I keep getting tatted just to cover up the scars. I'm just trying to shine and fight my way up out the dark. We like royalty, kings is what we are. I just plan on chasing my dreams.